Hi friends, welcome to Risk Crackers for Careers. Today we are going to see how we can find the squares of 2-digit and 3-digit numbers quickly and easily. Now let's find the square of 73. For this we had to find the nearest tens number to 73. The nearest tens number to 73 is 70. And the difference between 73 and 70 is 3. We are going to add and subtract 3 from 73 and we get 70 by 76. Since the base is 10, we divide 70 by 10. The first part of the answer is got by multiplying 7 by 76, which is 532. We write 532 in the first part. The second part is got by squaring the difference. Here the difference is 3 and 3 squared is equal to 9. Since the base is 10, we can write only a single digit in the second part. Here 9 is a single digit. So we write 9 next to 532. The answer is 5329. 73 squared is equal to 5329. Now let's find the square of 46. What is the nearest tens number to 46? Yes, it is 50. What is the difference between 50 and 46? 4. So we are going to add and subtract 4 with 46. We get 50 by 42. Since the base is 10, we divide 50 by 10. The first part of the answer is got by multiplying 5 by 42, which is 210. We write 210 in the first part. For the second part, we square the difference. That is 4. We square 4 and we get 16. Since the base is 10, we can write only a single digit in the second part. So we retain 6 and carry over 1 to the left hand side. We add 0 and 1. We get 2116. 46 squared is equal to 2116. Now let's find the square of 88. What is the nearest tens number to 88? It is 90 and the difference between 90 and 88 is 2. So we are going to add and subtract 2 from 88. We get 90 by 86. Since the base is 10, we divide 90 by 10. The first part is got by multiplying 9 by 86 and we get 774. And for the second part, we square the difference, which is 2 and we get 2 squared is equal to 4. As the base is 10, we can write only a single digit in the second part. And 4 is a single digit. So we write 4 next to 774. 88 squared is equal to 7744. Now let's find the square of 96. Which is the nearest tens to 96? Yes, it is 100. And the difference between 96 and 100 is 4. So we are going to add and subtract 4 from 96. We get 100 into 92. Since the base is 10, we divide 100 by 10. And the first part of the answer is got by multiplying 10 by 92, which is 920. For the second part, we square the difference, which is 16. Since the base is 10, we retain 6 and carry over 1 to the left hand side. And add 0 with 1. We get 9216. 96 squared is equal to 9216. Now let's find the square of 32. What is the nearest tens to 32? It is 30. And the difference between 32 and 30 is 2. So we are going to add and subtract 2 from 32. we get 30 by 34. Since the base is 10, we divide 30 by 10. Multiplying 3 by 34, we get 102 in the first part. For the second part, we square the difference, which is 2. 2 squared is 4, and 4 is a single digit. Here the base is 10, and we can write a single digit in the second part. So we write 4 next to 102. 32 squared is equal to 1024. Now let's find a square of the number when it ends with 5. Let's find the square of 65. When a number ends with 5, the last 2 digits will be 25. So we write 25 in the last part. For the first part, we had to multiply the remaining digit with the number next to it. Here the remaining digit is 6 and the number next to it is 7. 6 into 7 is 42, and we write 42 before 25. 65 squared is equal to 4225. Now let's find the square of 85. We write 25 in the second part as the number ends with 5. For the first part, we multiply 8 with the number next to it, and the number next to 8 is 9, and 8 nines are 72. We write 72 before 25. 85 squared is equal to 7225. Now let's find the square of a 3-digit number. Let's find the square of 701. What is the nearest tens to 701? It is 700, and the difference between 701 and 700 is 1. We are going to add and subtract 1 from 701. We get 700 by 702. Since the base is 100, we divide 700 by 100. The first part of the answer is got by multiplying 7 by 702. We get 4914. We write 4914 in the first part. For the second part, we square the difference. The difference here is 1, and 1 squared is equal to 1. Since the base is 100, we can write 2 digits in the second part. But the square of the difference 1 is 1. So we make it a double digit by adding 0 before 1, and we write 01 next to 4914. 701 squared is equal to 491401. Let's find the square of 921. What is the nearest tens to 921? We take the nearest tens as 900, and the difference between 900 and 921 is 21. We are going to add and subtract 21 from 921. We get 900 by 942. Since the base is 100, we divide 900 by 100. The first part of the answer is got by multiplying 9 by 942. And we get 8478. We write 8478 in the first part. For the second part, we are going to square the difference, which is 21. 21 squared is equal to 441. As the base is 100, we can write only 2 digits in the second part. And we have to carry over 4 to the left hand side. We add 8 with 4. We get 848241. 921 squared is equal to 848241. Now let's find the square of 387. What is the nearest tens to 387? It is 400, and the difference between 400 and 387 is 13. We are going to add and subtract 13 from 387. We get 400 by 374. As the base is 100, we divide 400 by 100. The first part of the answer is got by multiplying 4 by 374, which is 1496. We write 1496 in the first part. For the second part, we square the difference, which is 13. 13 square is 169. Since the base is 100, we can write only 2 digits in the second part. And we carry over 1 to the left hand side. We add 6 and 1. And we get 149769. 387 square is equal to 149769. Now, let's find the square of 465. What is the nearest tens to 465? If we take it as 500, the difference between 500 and 465 is great. So, let's take 450 as the nearest tens to 465. The difference between 450 and 465 is 15. We are going to add and subtract 15 from 465. We get 450 by 480. Since the base is 100, we divide 450 by 100. The first part is got by multiplying 4.5 by 480. So let's simplify it. 4.5 can be written as 9 by 2. So we get 9 by 2 into 480. And we divide 480 by 2. We get 9 into 240, which is equal to 2160. We write 2160 in the first part. For the second part, we square the difference, which is 15. 15 squared is 225. Since the base is 100, we can write 2 digits in the second part and we carry over 2 to the left hand side. We add 0 to 2 and we get 216225. 465 squared is equal to 216225. Now let's find the square of 639. If we take 600 as the nearest tens number, the difference between 600 and 639 is great. So let's take 650 as the nearest tens number. The difference between 650 and 639 is 11. So we are going to add 11 and subtract 11 from 639. And we get 650 into 628. Since the base is 100, we divide 650 by 100. The first part is got by multiplying 6.5 by 628. Let's simplify. We can write 6.5 as 13 divided by 2. We get 13 divided by 2 into 628. Now we divide 628 by 2 and we get 13 into 314. We write 13 as 10 plus 3. We get 314 into 10 plus 3, which is 3140 plus 942. When we add 3140 plus 942, we get 4082. The first part of the answer is 4082. For the second part, we have to square the difference, which is 11. Square of 11 is 121. Since the base is 100, we can write only 2 digits in the second part. We carry over 1 to the first part. We add 2 with 1. We get 408321. The square of 639 is 408321. Hope you have all understood the concepts. It is important that you practice a lot. With practice, you can find the squares of the number very easily and quickly. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. We will meet with new information. Thanks for watching.